In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Windows cannot find OneDrive.exe error in OneDrive. Let's jump right in. First, let's open OneDrive and confirm the error. Click the Start button on the Windows taskbar, then type OneDrive in the Start search box. Once it appears, click OneDrive in the search results. If Windows shows a message saying it cannot find OneDrive.exe, leave the message visible for a moment so you can see it clearly. After that, click OK or Close on the error message to dismiss it. Now let's run the standard OneDrive reset command. Press Windows plus R on the keyboard to open the Run dialog. In the field, carefully type the standard OneDrive reset path, which is %localappdata %Microsoft /OneDrive /OneDrive OneDrive.exe /reset. Take your time entering this so there are no typos. Once the command is in place, click OK at the bottom of the Run dialog. Wait a few seconds for the command to run. Next, let's use the Program Files Reset paths if Windows cannot find the first path. If Windows shows the same cannot find message, click OK or Close on the message. Press Windows plus R again to open the Run dialog. Now type the first alternate reset command, which is /program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe /reset. Click OK at the bottom of the Run dialog. If Windows still shows the cannot find message, click OK or Close on it. Press Windows plus R one more time to open the Run dialog. Type the second alternate reset command, which is /program files open parenthesis x86 close parenthesis /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe /reset. Once that is in, click OK at the bottom of the Run dialog and wait a few seconds for OneDrive to reset. Now let's restart OneDrive from the Start menu. Click Start on the Windows taskbar, type OneDrive in the Start search box, and click OneDrive in the search results. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon in the notification area near the clock. If OneDrive opens or the cloud icon appears, you're good to go and can stop here. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If it still isn't working, continue on to the next part. Now let's reinstall OneDrive if every reset path still fails. Press the Windows key and type Add or Remove Programs, then open it. Click the search box at the top of Installed Apps. In that field, type OneDrive so the list filters down. Click the three-dot menu on the right side of the Microsoft OneDrive row, then click Uninstall in the menu. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Uninstall again to remove it from your system. If Microsoft OneDrive does not appear in the list, you'll need to download a fresh copy. Click Start on the Windows taskbar, type Google Chrome or another browser you prefer in the Start search box, and click it in the search results. Click the browser address bar, then carefully type the official OneDrive download page URL, which is microsoft.com/en-us/Microsoft-365/en-drive/download. Press Enter on the keyboard to load the page. On the Microsoft Download page, click Download OneDrive near the top. Once the file finishes downloading, click OneDrive Setup.exe in the browser downloads area. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes in the user account control prompt. Wait for the installer to finish. This takes a moment, so we'll skip ahead. After installation, click Start on the Windows taskbar. Type OneDrive in the Start search box, and click OneDrive in the search results. From here, simply sign in to your OneDrive account using your normal credentials. Windows should no longer show the cannot find OneDrive.exe message when you open OneDrive. It should either launch to the Sign In or Setup screen, show the cloud icon near the clock, or open the OneDrive folder in File Explorer. Congratulations, you've now fixed the error and OneDrive is ready to